Here is one of the hardest Edexcel vectors questions. Do you know how to tackle it? So we've been given a triangle with some straight lines going through it. M is said to be the midpoint of AB, and then we've been told some vectors. We're told that OP to PM is 3 to 2, and we need to work out the ratio ON to NB. So when working out a ratio or a scale of a certain line, we need to find two vectors from the line that crosses through it. Now, I know that the line APN doesn't actually extend, but technically that crosses through or intersects with the line ONB. So I need two vectors from the line APN. AN would be the easiest to start with. Now, we don't know the scale, obviously, of ON. That's the question. So you can either put a K in here for the scale, or you can use ratios. I'm going to use K to represent the scale of ON in comparison to the whole line OB. Now I'm going to work out AP. In order to do so, I need OP, which means I also need OM, and OM crosses through halfway of AB, so we also need AB. Now for OP, we can use the ratio and convert it into fractions. O to P is 3/5, and P to M is 2/5. So we want 3/5 of the line OM. Once you've worked out two vectors from the line that crosses through, you then want to expand and simplify anything in order to get all of the A's together and all the B's together. Now we need to compare the coefficients of A and B to create two simultaneous equations. Obviously, looking at the line APN, you can see that AP is not the same as AN, it's not the same length. So when creating an equation, we can't just put them equal to each other. We're going to have to add another scale to represent that line. I tend to use X on the side that looks a bit easier. So where the coefficient of A is -1, so -1 times X would be -X is equal to -7/10. In that case, you can obviously see what X is 7/10. That's our equation for the coefficient of A. Now do the same for B. Again, apply the scale of X to the same side you did in the previous one. So that means that K times X is 3/10. Now we just need to solve the simultaneous equations to find K. We don't really care about X. We can solve this equation for K by substitution. So K is 3/7. However, just remember with this one, we need to convert it back into a ratio. K was representing the small side ON. So converting from a fraction back into a ratio, we should get 5 to 4. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where you can find full videos going through everything that we've just seen.